My name is Amelia. This is my little brother, Liam. Today we are going to be looking at the color chemistry lab set. And we have a paintbrush, Pepite, ink bottles, let's see what else, instructions to make it, a cylinder like that, coloring mixing pot strips, and color wheel. This is part 1 for making slime, part 2 for making slime, fizzy tabs, beaker, stuff to make the color wheel, volcano tube, and display jar. Let's see what there is inside. Which side is it? Okay, so come on, Liam, let me open this. Oh, here's all the stuff. I see this now. Oh, it's coming out. Upside down. Oh no. Water! That's not water, Liam. So this is coming in. And now we gotta flip it over so we can get it. You hold this stuff. Liam, we're gonna make stuff. Okay, nothing's in the box anymore. We're gonna put that aside. So here's all we have all the stuff right here. Look at this, Liam. Oh, put that down. Put that down. That goes up. Liam. Whoa. First, we gotta see what we're gonna make. Yeah. We don't know what we can make, so let's pop this out. Oh, there's stuff on the back that's extra. This something. Oh, these are just. This is just the color wheels. Whoa. Let's have a paintbrush down. We can make. Let's see. There's all sorts of cool stuff. Ooh, we can make a volcano. But we don't want to make that. Let's not make a volcano today. Next time we may make a volcano. What is this? All dried up and nowhere to go. You will need. Wait, what is this called? Okay. Yeah, look, I guess it doesn't say. Oh wait, there's stuff on the box. Let's see. Glowworms. Oh, we can make glowworms, volcano, and sticky slime. And they're making more stuff. Yeah, there's totally lots more. But let's try to go to the, easy stuff. So, rubber goo. We can make the rubber goo probably. Okay, this comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's see, what do we need? Let's see, what is this stuff? Okay, so it says, remove flat cap from slime part B, remove seal, and replace with nozzle cap.
Why don't you just show everybody what's inside, and then we'll do another video where you set it up and you can do the experiments in front of them.
Okay. So, we're actually not doing that right now. So, we have this paintbrush, color dots. Wait, is this color dots? What was that again? Fizzy tabs. Way off on that. And color wheels. What are these? What are these?
Those are for mixing colors.
Mixing color things. And
different dyes.
Different dyes and stuff to make the color wheels, so we may as well put those with that. To make slime part A, slime part... Oh, wrong thing. Not slime, but slime part B. Oh, there's stuff in here. You were right, Liam. What is this? Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is to make the glowworms. What does this say, Dad?
You gotta stay on camera, babe.
Pretend, but some people...
Calcium chloride. This is for making slimes.
This is also for making slime. Calcium chloride. Let's see. This is like, I think... Oh, this is for one of the things that you do.
It's a beaker.
Beaker. And
Pipette.
This, what?
Pipette.
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 All right.
This is a cylinder thing.
That's right.
These actually go on these. If you take off the lids. Oh, Liam, what did you do? I have no idea what this is.
All right, now you've got everything open. Why don't you tell everybody that you'll see you next time when we start to use the stuff that's inside, right?
See you next time. Say bye. Bye.